Hey, Tim, when you started off, you had the property listed on Zillow, had a for sale by owner sign out front.
Right.
What was the response there as far as that goes?
Well, this year there was a number of responses quickly, but just a lot of lowball offers, just way below what we knew it was worth and what we wanted. And so, and then your letter came in the mail.
Okay.
About a week or so into the process, and I got those letters all the time before, but now we were ready to sell. The house was on the market, so I figured, well, probably a lowball offer. It's these mass mailing envelopes, and so I figured, what's the harm?
Yeah.
So I called the number, talked to you, and you said you'd look into it. And the next morning, I had in my email box, I had a signed contract and a real offer. I mean, actual money, not one of these lowball kind of deals